Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this is a tutorial for the Countess makeup from American Horror Story, and this is the character that Lady Gaga plays in the series Hotel. So to start off with, I block my eyebrows, and to do this you need an Elmer's glue stick, and you flatten the hairs down and then you colour correct them with an orange face paint or cream paint, and then pat a really thick concealer on top. Once I'd covered the hairs as well as possible, I patted on a translucent powder. I then took the concealer down onto my eyelids as well to prime them for my eyeshadow. I added a translucent powder on top of that. I've never looked as beautiful. And then I primed my face with the NYX Angel Veil primer, and I patted on the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation because it's really thick and has a good coverage, and I wanted to look really vampire-y and perfect skinned. And then I used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I just used that to contour my face, and I powdered on top of that as well. And then I went into this grey colour from the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, and I contoured my face with that as well. I wanted to not use anything with like a warm tone, obviously because she's a vampire. I used this same eyeshadow to start to carve out the eyes and create this kind of super cat eye look that she has. It really kind of looks like her eyes are going up, so I just softly used these brown eyeshadows to do that. I popped a bit of a warmer shade on the lid, and then I went into a black eyeshadow on this brush and did the wing. I didn't use an eyeliner, I just used shadow. Went into this white shimmer eyeshadow and I just popped a bit of that on top of the lid. I added a mascara. She doesn't wear false eyelashes or anything, it's quite natural. And then I went into a light brown shadow and I just started to kind of pencil in the eyebrows a bit, because obviously it's not that she doesn't have any eyebrows, they're just blonde, so I tried to kind of make it look like that. And then I went into Night Moth, which is a purple lip liner by MAC, and then into this Bright Berry lipstick by Lipstick Queen, and I put that on the lips. I then grabbed my favourite blood, which is by a brand called Mould Life in the colour Venial. It's quite expensive, but it's my favourite, and I popped a dribble of that out of the mouth. I don't know if I mentioned, but she is a vampire. If you've never seen American Horror Story or Hotel, I really advise you go and watch it. It's amazing. And then I went into this Mehron blood splatter blood, and I sprayed that on my chest, and it just run out, so I'm really sad. I need to get some more. And this is the finished look. So I was inspired to do this makeup because I'd just got my hair done and I felt like it was a similar colour to Lady Gaga's. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I think this is a really cool thing to dress up as for Halloween, like you feel super glamorous once it's finished. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.